Hello, good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a good morning. It's the second of the month, second of September. We're going to start off our analysis with the chart on our screen. This is EURUSD. So something interesting happened on this chart yesterday. We had a very good resistance trend line, which was respected. We had a trend line like this. You can see how perfect this was. Actually, yesterday it looked as though we had broken above it, but after looking at it today, I can say that the price actually bounced off from it, then continued straight to the lower side. As we're speaking now, you can see that somehow the price is still continuing to the lower side. So the ultimate place we expect price to go up to is the resistance trend, which the support trend which you have at the middle. We do expect price to go back up to it. We do expect price to proceed down up to this point, where if it does break below, then we will expect it to continue much lower. So as it is now, we are still looking for a sell position. We still expect price to give us good sell signals as it is now up to the support which you have the one in the middle. We expect price to go up to it so that we look for a buy position, and as I've said, if the price breaks below it, then we do expect a continuation to the lower side. So the next chart I want us to look at is GBP/USD. GBP/USD so far, I'm interested so much in the weekly chart. We have a level here. This is the closest level we have so far, and then there is a trend line that runs all the way from this point to this point to this point to the last one. We have a resistance here, a resistance, and the price has gone above the upper one. So as long as the price continues to sustain itself above 1.33405, we expect a continuation to the upper side. The idea is to keep looking for buy position, wait for price to give you low risk buy places, so that you pick a buy order, expecting price to move up to this point, 1.42328. So you could just simply look for a buy position, hold on to that position up to this point, 1.42228, or if the price again ends up closing below this point, then this could be a very good place to look for a sell up to the level at the bottom. So the next chart I want us to look at is the USD/JPY. USD/JPY so far, we do have a level here, a very good support. We also have a level here, a resistance, and then we have a trend line that runs all the way from the top. So on this chart, I actually expect a move up to the support we are seeing. I expect price to continue down up to the support which we are having. I do expect a continuation to the last side up to the support. I do expect price to continue downwards up to the line which we have at the bottom, and in case the price breaks below it, then that will mean we are continuing the losses. As it is now, we are still sellers. We are still somehow looking for sell positions, expecting price to proceed downwards. We want maybe some retracement, some pullbacks, so that we sell at the lowest possible risk. So the next chart we want to look at gold. So gold, so far the previous week's candle was actually a bullish pin back candle. It signaled that the price may continue to the upper side, but as you can see, nothing much has happened. Instead, the price is pulling back to the lower side. So the ideal place to look for a buy on this chart is actually around the previous week's opening price, which is here, 1942.67. If you're on this chart now, wait for price to reach wait for price to reach the previous week's opening price, then you're supposed to pick a buy position. So the next chart, the next chart I want to look at is SP500. SP500, so far you can see that the price is somehow continuing to the upper side. There is no sign for a sell as it is now. On this chart, I recommend you keep looking for buy positions, keep looking for buy orders, expect price to continue upwards. And as it is now, if the price can pull back up to this point, then this will be the correct place to look for a buy from. So the last chart for today, Brent oil. So Brent oil, somehow we are gaining an upward momentum, but in a slow manner. You can see that we are somehow still within the range. And also the loan. So if the price breaks above the upper line, we do expect a continuation to the upper side. If the price breaks below the lower side line, then we do expect a continuation to the lower side. So thank you very much. These are some of the levels you're supposed to look at, and this is another level, and then you also have this, then you have the last one, which is this one. So if the price approaches any of these levels, then those are going to be the correct places to look for a trade from. So thank you very much. We meet again tomorrow. So thank you.